Hey internet, this is Jacob Clifford. I'm sorry for not making any videos at the end of October. I was busy working on this. For the last 10 years, I've been transforming my home into the Clifford family haunted house, and we have thousands of visitors. It takes about 3 weeks to set up and take down, so that's why I don't make very many videos in October and early November. But the best part of the haunted house is I have cameras in there and there's a video with a 15-minute delay, so after you go through, you can watch yourself getting scared. So this is it. This is the Clifford haunted house. We've got a bunch of people here who are watching the scares on video. I'm dressed as a pirate, yar. And then there's a huge line of people who are all the way up the streets enjoying the haunted house. Now that's one thing you didn't know about me, and here's 5 more. Now sometimes I get spotted by students in public and we take a picture together, but if you saw me in person, you'd be surprised by how tall I am. If you see pictures with me with people, you think, oh yeah, he's a regular sized human, but most of the time, I'm crouching down. And fun fact, when I was filming Crash Course with Adrian Hill, she was actually standing on an apple box. In order to make our height differences not so apparent, every single time we walked towards each other, she was actually walking like a bridge of boxes. So if you met me in person, the first thing you'd say is, wow, he's really tall, but there's something else you might not know about me. Even if you meet me in person, it's right there. Do you see it? It's my horrible deformity. When I was in 8th grade, I was playing basketball and I was dunking and my finger got stuck in one of those little hooks that holds the net, and crack, there's my finger. I actually ended up falling and hitting my head on the post that holds the backboard, and I was more worried about my head than my finger, so I never got it fixed, and it healed like this. It's really not that bad. It looks kind of like a supply curve. You got inelastic, inelastic, and then elastic. Now going back to Halloween, I started that tradition about 10 years ago because I always thought it would be fun to have a little haunted house for the kids in my neighborhood. But the truth is, I love Christmas way more than Halloween, and I'd rather be known as the Christmas guy than the Halloween guy. I'm a believer and follower of Jesus Christ, and I go to church every Sunday with my family. So again, I'd rather be the Christmas guy, but there's already a friend of mine who was already going way over the top for Christmas, so I decided to pick Halloween. And you can see, this is my family. I have 5 kids. Oh, there it is again. Ugh. Lindsay's a senior in high school and she's an AP student. She's super smart, but they don't have AP Econ at our high school. What? Dumb? David's a sophomore and he plays varsity football and he's pretty darn good. James is an 8th grader and he just broke his arm playing football. And Avery and Jesse are 11 and 9 years old and we love going to Disneyland. And speaking of wholesome recreational activities and things you don't know about me, we have a boat. It's actually kind of a bad investment, so it's true what they say. If it floats or flies, don't buy it. But it was an impulse buy during COVID. We were quarantined in California and I said, let's just go for it. We drove out to Texas and bought the boat. Okay, that was enough about me. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments below and I'll make another one. And be sure to subscribe because I'm making a bunch of new videos to help you learn and love economics. Thanks for watching. Till next time.